Today we're diving deep into a powerhouse of essential nutrients that play a vital role in keeping our bodies running smoothly, the vitamin B complex. These aren't just single vitamins, they're a team of 8 incredible compounds working together to support everything from energy production to brain function. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, folate, and cobalamin work together to give your body the foundational support it needs in order to produce energy. Whether you're feeling a little sluggish, looking to support your nervous system, or simply want to ensure you're getting the foundational nutrients your body needs, understanding the vitamin B complex is key. So let's break down what these essential vitamins are all about and why they deserve a spot in your daily wellness routine. Now, when you're navigating the world of vitamin B complex supplements, there are a few crucial things to keep in mind to ensure you're getting the best possible support. First, pay close attention to the form of the B vitamins included. Many supplements use inactive forms that your body must convert before it can utilize them effectively. Look for the active forms such as methylfolate instead of folic acid and methylcobalamin instead of cyanocobalamin, the active form of B12. These active forms are generally more readily absorbed and used by your body, maximizing their benefits. Next, consider the completeness of the complex. A true B complex should contain all 8 essential B vitamins: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. If you happen to follow a specific diet like a vegan lifestyle, make sure the supplement is vegan to meet your needs. What can you generally expect from incorporating a good B complex into your daily routine? Well, the benefits are wide-ranging and impact numerous bodily functions. B vitamins are primarily known for supporting energy production. They help convert the food you eat into usable energy, combating fatigue and supporting overall vitality. They also play a crucial role in nervous system function, supporting healthy nerve cells and communication throughout the body. Furthermore, B vitamins contribute to healthy brain function, supporting cognitive processes, mood regulation, and focus. Beyond these key areas, B vitamins support healthy hair, skin, and nails, contribute to DNA synthesis and repair, and play a role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Now, you might be wondering what makes our BioEmblem Vitamin B Complex stand out from the crowd. We've meticulously formulated our complex to provide you with the highest quality and most bioavailable forms of all 8 essential B vitamins. That means you're getting 100% active forms, including the preferred methylfolate and methyl B12, so your body can absorb and utilize them efficiently. We understand the importance of inclusivity, which is why our formula is completely vegan, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. And to further enhance its benefits, we've also included choline and inositol, 2 powerful nutrients that synergistically support brain health and cellular function alongside the B vitamins.